Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make lumpia and sago gulaman with some sweet chili sauce. If you guys didn't know, I am Filipino and I'm here in my Maria Clara gown and my Mama Star hairdo with my classic red Filipina lipstick. So I'm here to show you in virtual reality. If you guys don't know what virtual reality is, be sure to move your phone around, up, down, all around. If you're laying in bed, tilt your phone. These are goggles right here that you can get at www.youtube.com/360. We're here in my kitchen in virtual reality, so feel free to move the phone around. I will also be having a giveaway. There will be a secret word, so y'all have to look extra hard and move your phone around throughout the whole video because I'll be giving a huge box of makeup to some of you. All the rules will be down in the description box below. Comment down below if you guys like this. If you guys didn't know, I am Filipino. I'm a very proud Filipina lady. And I will have some assistance today with one of my titas here. So without further ado, if you guys want to see how I did the lumpia and sago gulaman with the sweet chili sauce, then keep on watching. So what you're gonna need for the lumpia is some lumpia wrapper, which you can find from the Filipino store or Asian market. And for the peeling, you're going to need some onion, cilantro, green onion, carrots, ginger, garlic, 1 egg to seal the deal, water chestnuts, salt, pepper, sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, and vegetable oil to saute the vegetables, canola oil to fry, and then ground pork or any meat of your choice. No vegans allowed. So next, what I'm going to do is diligently chop the vegetables myself, okay? I have no help whatsoever. Pastor, I'm getting hot. It's not AC. Like Emerald and Rachel Ray, I have a sheet sheet. I have a sheet sheet. I have a sheet of paper. I love Filipino culture. I used to say to my teacher, can I have a sheet of paper, teacher? I was a bad student. Mainit, mainit. Is it on? How do you open the stove? I put hairspray. Woo! I just finished chopping all the vegetables. So, I love lumpia, okay? So, what you're gonna do is gonna take vegetable oil and put about 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan. And y'all can see I chopped up all the vegetables here, okay? Wow, this is like professional. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and take the onions. Woo! It's the real thing. Exciting. So, guys, this recipe is so easy to make. This is onions. Next, you're gonna go ahead and add your garlic. Any Filipino dish, that's what you're gonna add first. It's onion and garlic and oil. And saute. And then we're gonna go ahead and add ginger and carrots to this as well. And you're gonna saute this for about 4 minutes or until it is, you know, they're sweated out and they are, you just, smells like home. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt so the onions can sweat. And I'm using a wooden spoon. Do y'all like that sizzling sound? It sounds and smells so good. I remember making these with Peter and Paul. We would have like an assembly line. I was a brat, so I would always tell Mama Star she only had 3 kids so we could do chores for her. You know, but look at us. We thriving. We thriving. You guys don't know, I am very Filipino and there was different dialects in my household. So my mom is from Bacolod and my dad is from Laguna. So my dad speaks Bisaya and Tagalog and my mom speaks Ilonggo. And I be getting them mixed up. So a lot of Filipinos, when they come up to me, they're like, oh, do you know how to speak it? I'd be like, it's all mixed and mashed. And there's different ways to say different things just because of the words. Oh, look how you can see it. You see it starting to brown? But yeah, I love the Filipino culture. We would do Filipino Independence Day. I was in a Filipino dance troupe. It was just so much fun. We did like traditional Filipino dances. Here's a clip. Yes, that is me, Peter and Paul. See if you could find me in there. It is just so hilarious. We would do like the tinekling and the bangko dance, singkil, the coconut dance, the candle dance. We do all that. But in my channel, you know, we're just one size where everything is just all melted together. And, you know, I like to infuse different cultures up in here. And yes, this is my Brenda wig, and this is the first time she gonna smell like onion and garlic and carrots and ginger. So I'm gonna go ahead and saute this until they have sweated, and I'll be right back. All right, so next we are going to add the ground pork. This is 1 pound of pork. You know whose favorite this is? Peter's favorite. I saw Peter and Fabian eating pork the other day. And make sure you cook this pork through, and I'm saying this in an English accent so you guys really thoroughly cook this through. You want to break it up with your spoon. Recipe says 6 minutes, but y'all, ain't nobody trying to have no rare ass pork, okay? Oh, by the way, my dress, I got it from this Filipino Barong Tagalog store. This is a traditional Maria Clara dress from the Philippines with these high sleeves, okay? It is a sign of royalty. Very traditional. And make sure to flavor your meat. Little. Wow. And then a little pepper and a little salt. I like pepper. Alright guys, so my pork is cooked through. I'm gonna go ahead and add my water chestnuts. And we just dice these so good. It's gonna add that texture. And we're gonna add our soy sauce. You wanna stir this for about 2 minutes. You want all these flavors to mix really well. I'm waiting for the cilantro and the green onion to add at the end because we are gonna fry this. So we're gonna cook this again in the wrapper, so you don't want the vegetables to be overdone. This is such a fun recipe. Like if you're a mom or if you're a kid, I grew up with this, or even if you're friends, you got white friends, Hispanic friends, Asian friends, other Asian type, you know, get them friends in the kitchen and help them roll these lumpias with you. Ooh, this smells so good. I can taste it already. All right, guys, last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and add my green onion and the cilantro. And again, barely mix this and remove it from the heat quickly. A little splash more soy sauce. Do you guys see all the colors? Like, this is what you are looking for right here. So good. Again, move your phone around and look down at this pot because this smells good. Alright everyone, so now that we are done, I have set out my little rolling station, but you know, like I said earlier, I need some help. So, I have my special friend, my Tita Macy. Come, Tita. Tita Macy. She's an expert at the rolling wrappers, lumpia wrappers. So, how do you do this? She's so shy, I'll do it. So, ay, there's a hair. Tita Macy. Tita. Raise your voice. Oh. What are you doing? Doing your favorite lumpia, Tita. Okay, guys, so what you're gonna do to wrap this lumpia is I'll do the first one, and then we're just gonna do them because there's a lot of filling here. So you're gonna take your filling. You're gonna go ahead, move the camera down. You're gonna fill it across like so. Okay, you're gonna make a little log. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and roll. Take this, roll it, and then fold like a little envelope. Okay. And then take your egg wash. We're gonna go ahead and seal the envelope like so. We used to do this all the time as a kid, right, Tita Macy? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and take it. Oh, even if it breaks, it's okay.
That's not right. Let me show you how to do it.
Okay. This one is broken. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and take the roll, put a little bit of a log. You guys can see how close it is. And then go ahead and roll. And you're gonna go ahead and roll it tighter, because it's a little loose. And you're gonna fold the edges and create a little log. And then what you're gonna do is go ahead and take your brush and add a little bit of an egg, and then seal the deal. Make sure everything is sealed, and finish rolling. And the egg is gonna act as your glue. Perfect. So now we're gonna go ahead and finish wrapping this.
Our little ruffles are hitting together.
Mine keep breaking.
Maybe your hands are so rough.
They are so rough. They're so big. That's why they keep on breaking. Look at mine. I already made 2, and then you're at 0. You want to make sure that it's like a little bit loose, but tight enough.
All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and take this canola oil right here, and we're gonna go ahead and pour it into our deep fryer. And you want to fill it up enough to cover your lumpia. I have to sit down. It's so much standing. My legs hurt.
I'm doing all the work.
I get the views.
Also, I'm not eating this, just to let y'all know.
Tita Missy loves pork, doesn't she?
I don't eat this.
That's disgusting. Alright everyone, so now that your oil is preheated, we're gonna go ahead and take our first lumpia and stick it right in. Ooh, swimming. And you're gonna fry it on each side for 1 to 2 minutes. So we're gonna only do a few at a time so we don't overcrowd the pan because it can reduce the heat of the oil. And if you're young, make sure you have a parent with you to supervise. And then you're gonna flip it over after 1 to 2 minutes. Or until golden brown. And we wait. I get so many questions on if I am Filipino or they didn't know that I was Filipino. So this is probably like the most Filipino video that I've ever done. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and add some more lumpia to the oil kasi mainit na ng mantika. That I just said that the oil is hot. Ay, it's much better now. My assistant, Tita Macy, is doing a very good job.
Wait!
Ay, she's getting naked. She's getting naked. Keep your clothes on. Inappropriate. You look like a slut. Keep your clothes on. It must have been my stupid assistant.
By the way, my daughter is a doctor now.
What kind of doctor?
She has a PhD in biochemistry.
Biochemistry. Did she test Jacqueline's lipsticks? If you are not in biochemistry, make sure that you put a towel on here so it soaks up the oil like a blotting paper if you were a beauty blogger. This looks very good, very healthy. Deep fried, pork, carrot, ginger. This looks like a roach.
Dang, it is hot. It's hot up in here.
Tita Macy, what accent is that?
Dang, you got a makeup artist up in here? Where's mine?
There's not enough makeup in the world.
Tapos na.
Hindi pa. 1 more minute. Maybe you can't tell it's ready because you don't have your glasses on. Put on your glasses, stupid. In every video, he wears the same exact sweater. You haven't noticed?
Okay, tapos na. You put it over here.
Yes. Alright everyone, so our lumpia is finally done, but before I show you the final product, I'm going to show you my favorite drink ever. It's called sago and gulaman. It's kind of like the sweet tea of the Philippines, and it is just amazing. I'm going to assemble it for you because I'm getting a little bit hungry, but the ingredients that you need for this are so simple. First of all, you need the tapioca balls. You guys may know it as boba. Over here, I have it soaking in a bowl. This one took only 5 minutes. And yeah, you want to soak them in some water here so they don't stick together, so they can be all slimy and separated. Over here, I have a syrup mixture of the dark brown syrup to the water, so 1 part sugar, 1 part water. And then all you need is the vanilla extract and banana essence, which you can get from the Filipino store. I also would recommend some grass jelly. I do not have that. That's my favorite jelly, but we're gonna go ahead and just get started. So you're gonna go ahead and take your syrup and put this in your cup. Ooh, I mean, you're supposed to take your boba first, sorry. My lovely assistant here will go ahead and take the boba and put some in each cup.
Why don't you put the ice first before the boba?
Shut up. I mean, it's gonna take it. That should be good. What happened?
I'll put the ice last.
Oh. That's right. For aesthetics, put the ice last. How delicious. So, this is so good for a hot summer day with some lumpia. And then you're gonna fill the cups with water and ice, and it should taste very nice. Okay, I don't have grass jelly, but I do have a surprise. This is coconut jelly, so good. You know, we just make it work. Hold on. This don't look that color. If you like it sweeter, definitely add more sweetness.
Perfect.
We'll be right back to show you the finished product. Alright everyone, this is the finished food, the lumpia with the sweet chili sauce and the sago. I will bring this up to you. Look at this. Look how gorgeous. I am so excited. Alright, this is the sago gulaman. This is not grass jelly, but we use coconut jelly instead. And if you can't see, there are little boba balls in there. So excited. Let's try this first. Cheers. Oh, this is good. It does taste like it. And we are saving the planet one straw at a time. I'm just kidding. You thought I joke. You thought I joke. Let me try this. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. Mmm. Good job. Good job, Tita. Anyways, I hope you guys found the secret word somewhere in the video so you guys can win a box of makeup. If you guys want to see more videos like this in virtual reality, whether it's cooking, makeup, anything, sound off in the comments down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so, so much. Mahal kita, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!